Dear audience, in this class I am going to teach you how to use keyboard characters in Latex. The title of today's topic is keyboard characters, but I used a percentage symbol before this string. So wherever I use the percentage symbol in a Latex file, while executing this file, Latex skip all the lines which begin with this percentage symbol. So if I remove this percentage symbol and if I execute this file, you can see that there is some error. Process exited with error. So use the percentage symbol to skip those lines. Now process exited. See, here I used all the characters A to Z, the capital letters and small letters and digit and the parenthesis and square bracket, quotation, punctuation, math operators and at the rate. See, there are no issues in executing this file. See, everything is perfectly fine. So you can see that ABCD to Z and small letters and this bracket. See here you can see that quotation, punctuations, math operators and other way. But if you use some special characters, just like dollar symbol, if you execute this file, yes, the process exited with error. Some error. If you use percentage symbol, there will be some error. So these are the special characters. So there are many special characters, but I used the dollar symbol and percentage symbol here just for demonstrating how to use these type of characters in your Latex file. So to avoid error, use backslash. So whenever you use special character, use backslash. Now you run the file. Yes, your file exited normally. Here you can see the message, the process exited normally. There is no error. And similarly, the curly bracket is also a special character. Now you run this file. Yes, but if you want to use that a single curly bracket, you have to use the backslash. Then using backslash alone, what would be the result? See, you cannot see anything. You cannot see anything on the print screen when you use a backslash. Then how to use the backslash? Backslash itself is a special character, and backslash is used before every special character to print on the page. And how to use the backslash? The best way to use backslash is open a dollar symbol and backslash. Use backslash and close with a dollar symbol. So since the backslash is a special character, use it in between the dollar symbol. Yes. Now you can see that all the special characters are used very effectively in this LaTeX program using a symbol technique, that's a backslash. If you want to use more similar special characters in LaTeX, just remember by putting the backslash just before the special character. Now let's see more similar exercise. Now we use and hash is your special character. You run this file and now you encountered with some trouble. See, the process exited with error. So how to avoid this error? Just use backslash. Now you run this file. Yeah, we got it. But in some cases, backslash now works. Suppose greater than and less than symbol, the backslash is not going to work. Let's see the backslash. See, without the backslash. See this. There are some other symbols displayed. Now we run the file by putting the backslash just before the special character, and let's see that. Now it's not going to work. So what the things we have to do when you use greater than and less than symbol, just use the $sign. You keep that special character within the dollar symbol. If you use that, you can very effectively reproduce those symbols on your print screen. Now you can see that all the special characters are perfectly reproduced on your print screen. So these are the things to be keep in mind when you do the LaTeX exercise. When you do the LaTeX exercise and when you keep some special characters in your file, please put the backslash, and also for some cases use dollar symbols. Similarly, this is a vertical column. If you use backslash before the vertical column, it is not going to work out. Yeah, there are some errors. So if you cannot reproduce the special character with the backslash, the next option is use dollar symbol. Now put your special character in between this dollar symbol and then execute the file. Now you got the vertical symbol. Vertical. Yes. That's the end of this video. Keep watching this channel. I will be adding all the similar content and make you perfect in programming the LaTeX file.